Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carpentry and Construction Limited. This is our next job. So what we're gonna be doing here is new flat roof. Well, because obviously the old one is slowly but surely disintegrating. Well, the joists are, so you can see how it's bowed. So trouble is, this is asbestos, so what you don't want to do, you don't want to be breaking it. Obviously use the mask when you take it off, so we'll take it off and we'll get it disposed of by someone who deals with it. So what I will be doing, I'll be just cutting these fixings off so we can slide the sheets off. Unless you start breaking up cutting, you should be fine. Obviously use PPE anyway, but yeah, so as you can see, these lintels here, they need to be all sorted. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting concrete lintels in here. So we got those timber lintels in, and same here. As you can see, it has failed there as well. So we prop this up. We'll start with this lintel. Get that in first. We're probably going to go higher because the bigger the door the better. So we will go one course higher and put that lintel in higher in, which will be fine. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. It's a new roof. We will be doing FLEXITEC on this, so I will go through as well, so you can see it as a whole job. So we'll be doing that. Weather seems to be okay for a few weeks, so we should be good to go. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this project, and I catch up with you in a bit. So we left the door in, as you can see, roof is off. So what I did, I've put some straps, temporary straps, on one of the old joists or bearers, just to make sure that these walls don't go anywhere, because it's a single skin, and because we have no lintel on the top there at the minute, which we got to put in, which used to be timber, so was all rotten and stuff, so therefore it's a bit wobbly this side. So that's why I've done what I've done. Usually I would have just cut everything out if it would be steady, but because we got to put lintels and reinstate this a little bit of brickwork, which we're gonna do today before we get on with joists, etc., I've temporarily put those straps on. But anyway, we will be putting straps as well, so because you do need them. So the plan is we're gonna be building like a stud wall, I think about 300 tall. That is to allow for the head height what used to be at the front of the garage, because it had a sort of angled roof which went from front to back. But what we're gonna do instead, we're gonna have a level joist through instead of having a joist fall that way, and we'll put fairing bits onto the joist that way, so it falls away from the party wall into the garden, and we'll just add some gutter, etc. To deal with the water. So I just want to show you where we are. So this is the brick, this is the height we're going to. So we got 3 bricks and a lintel to put in. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be ordering the window as well. As we know the size, as it's done, we'll just double check measurements to make sure it is right measurement, and we'll get sorted that. And yeah, so that's where we are. I hope you've been enjoying it so far, and yeah, let's just crack on. So we can see here I've done this button, and that is so we know where I've marked out brick and pug joint, so that's to know where we're going. So we got to infill 2 courses there and a bit more on this side, so that's what our next job is. So yeah, so that's that. I'll crack on. So we've done with the brickwork. That's been infilled. We put lintels. If you remember, we had old just timber ones, so that wasn't really the way it should have been done. So the next step for us, we will put like a plate. We've decided to level it with uprights rather than cementing it on, and so we'll just fix it to the existing as it is, and then we'll use laser level and put uprights to level the top to get our roof level. So that's our next job, and yeah, so I'll still keep this beam in. What I'll have to do is trim the ends off so I can put my plate through, but I will leave actual straps on, so that will hold 2 walls together, because obviously this is still green and this won't hold it yet, and I don't want to really risk it, so we'll take that out once our new joists are in to make sure that everything stays where it should stay, so it doesn't move at all, because I think it has moved in the past. So yeah, I just want to show you, we got obviously a new door to fit, so that will go, that top part, that beam, I'll take out when we need it. So yeah, that's where we are. So the next is plate. That top is not level, very level, but we'll just go with the flow, and that's why it's easier for me to get it done, get it flat with leveling the uprights, because I can put laser level and I can shine line through, so I know where to. Well, you can see actually. You go beam. It is miles out actually. It looks miles out, but we'll see where we get with it. So yeah, that's where we are, and I'll catch you in a bit.